Hi, Mitchell Levy, global credibility expert. And I wanted to give a shout out to Robert Plank. Actually, I want to give a testimonial. I've known Robert for over a decade, and he and I are very similar in terms of the way we look at the world. What I want to say is if you look at this particular graph, 10% of people are do it yourselfers, 10% are people who want it done for you, and then 80% are the done with you. All right, let's talk about similarities and differences. On the do-it-yourselfers, what Robert will do, what I will do, is if I meet and interact with somebody who I just really actually trust, know, and like who they are, I'm actually going to give them everything they need to know to do it themselves. Robert's the same way. My service is more of a done with you service. His service is a done for you service, and I am a client of his. I am actually using his podcast service. So he does all the back end work after I do the podcast. It's amazing. So I'm doing now my 66 book. You can see it behind me, Executive Abundance. And I go, Robert, I need to get the audiobook done. Maybe you could do it for me. He goes, Mitchell, let me show you what to do. He gave me the tool, told me what to do and how to do it. And I'm a do-it-yourselfer type of guy, so I did it myself. Now, I'm going to say to you, there are two aspects of actually reading a book. Aspect number one is reading it yourself. And he's going to offer to do it for you. And I'm going to say, I'm going to recommend that you don't. Here's why. If you're doing a book because you want people to see who you are and feel your energy and to be able to understand your thinking process so they will get you to invite you to speak or coach or consult, there is no better way than you reading your own book, period. So unless that's something you can't do, I'm going to encourage you to read your own book. Now let's talk about the second piece, the editing side. Holy cow. He gave me a tool. It was really easy to use. It was at least 2 to 4 times more time to do the editing than the recording. And I made a mistake. Next time, he's editing, I'm recording. If you're on the fence thinking about that, I would highly encourage you to read yourself. If you can't, he can read and edit. But if you're on the fence, I'd highly encourage you to read it yourself, follow his instructions, let him or his team do the editing. Oh my God, it'll make life so much easier. Anyhow, glad to share. Thanks. Take care. Bye.